In this video, we finally crossed the Canadian border, and yes, they let us in. Just minutes later, we stumbled onto an epic free camp spot so perfect, we ended up staying 3 nights. From decompressing and soaking up the beauty to enjoying our very first days in British Columbia, this stop was everything we needed. Come along as we kick off our Canadian adventure. And if we haven't met yet, I'm Karina, this is Chris, and this is our dog Henry. We're traveling full-time in our Enduro camper, striving to be momentary locals wherever we go. We would absolutely love if you'd come along for the ride. I like how they have the US flags, just in case you're confused. This is the US. Canada Customs. Alright, we just made our last stop. Got gas, walked Henry. We're about like 10 minutes from the border. Just a little bit of traffic. Gotta wait a little bit.
20 minutes later.
Welcome to Canada.
Oh, nice. Not yet though.
How you doing?
Hello.
Where do you guys live?
Santa Cruz, California.
Got it. Where are you going?
We're going to Jones Lake campsite tonight, and then to Alaska.
Okay. How long do you think until you get to Alaska?
Probably 6 weeks.
6 weeks.
Yeah, we're going to explore BC, the Yukon.
Taking a long time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How many animals do we have?
Just our dog.
Just the one?
Yep.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Continue on British Columbia 11 North for 2 miles.
We made it.
Welcome to Canada.
Thanks. I officially now feel welcome. We're officially in Canada.
I can't believe they let us in.
It was relatively painless. He seemed very nice. Just a few questions, didn't check any paperwork, and
That was it,
here
just
we
our
are.
passports.
Just our passports. We're in BC.
Whew.
I know. Our first glimpses of Canada. What do you think? You want to try backing in and see how it feels? Alright, so we finally made it to our camp spot for tonight. We're still trying to get level, but Chris went to help somebody who whose engine won't start to jump them. But check out these views. Oh my gosh. This is the view from our free camp spot here in BC. I mean, come on. And we even have access to the little beach down there from these stairs back here. Probably gonna go for a little walk later, but just getting settled in right now. This is amazing. What do you think of the camp spot, Henry? Do you approve? Oh yeah, he approves. So the one downside to this epic spot is the trees obstructing our Starlink service.
We're gonna try something. We're gonna take the dish off the roof, and I have a 100-foot Ethernet cable, which I'll plug into the dish, and put it down at the shoreline where it has a more clear view. We'll see if it works.
Cool. Let's try it.
Boy.
Yeah, if the rigs are rocking, it's Chris taking the Starlink off the roof.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, good. Our telescoping ladder. Come in handy. First time we use it. Oh, I could use the opportunity to clean it too. But it looks pretty good. So here's our Starlink. It's working?
Yeah.
Nice. I can look up my recipes for dinner tonight. Okay. Short little hike back to camp. Awesome.
I mean, there could be a bear like 30 feet away and I wouldn't see it 'cause it's just so dense. There could be a bear.
Uh-huh. Top of the dam you can walk on for a little post-dinner stroll. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear the water from the dam going down. Part of the hydroelectric plant. Wow. That's okay. The feet came out. Ooh, gusty. Good morning.
I think we're gonna have a million pictures of the mountains.
And video, yes. But I mean, come on. Guess this is where we live now. Forever. Oh, look at that boat. Are you getting good pictures of the guy on the boat?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, my love.
Welcome. Alright, for breakfast this morning I just made some oatmeal with blueberries, hemp seeds, flax seeds, and some walnuts on the top. Chris and I are going to share this down at the beach. Nice. Getting ready to have some breakfast with a view this morning. walk us over to the beach. Just had to get some supplies. Henry's harness. And a little baggie. But let me show you this really beautiful path. Right as I was filming, this bee just went into the flower. So really close to our campsite is a trash can and recycling, which is great. I haven't seen recycling since we left California and it made me really sad. But there's also this pit toilet, which I would give it 2 or 3. I mean, it does the trick, but it is stinky. Relatively clean. I smell it from here. I'm going to close the door. So I just kind of hold my breath and do this. But, yeah. In the mornings, it's not that bad. Probably because it's colder, but as it gets warmer during the day. Whew. Anyway, that's the bathroom. Alright, this is dinner for tonight. Red lentil curry with brown rice.
Smells amazing, honey. Thank you. Good.
Okay, my turn to eat. Good morning. This place is amazing. Oh, well, that feels nice. So we spent the last few days here. We just needed to decompress after Expo, and we also had to do a lot of route planning. Wow. Sorry. Squirrel. These people have been yelling since like 6:30 in the morning. Like, no regard for other people who might still be sleeping. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, we're just gonna have a chill day. We'll leave tomorrow to keep heading north. Good morning. Here's your coffee.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome. Do you want to do breakfast, honey? Oh, good boy. Yeah. Yeah.
Workout with a view. Get it, honey. Keep that back straight.
I'm on a break. So I just got done with my workout and I got pretty sweaty, but unfortunately we're in a campground, so I can't really take a shower. So Chris picked these guys up at Overland Expo PNW. They're called Rugged Revive Sponge Bath Wipes. So I'm gonna try it out and I'll let you know how it goes.
Feel better? How was it?
Yeah, I do feel better. It was an interesting experience, a little different than I expected. You're supposed to, like, this is the little square thing, and you're supposed to get it wet, and then it gets really, like, soapy. And you just rub it on yourself. It does say that you just rub it, and then you dry yourself, which I felt weird about. So I actually rinsed it in water and then scrubbed down again to get the soap off. So, yeah, feel pretty good. Standing here wondering what these holes are all about. All right, we're getting ready to head out, so Chris is reinstalling the Starlink.
I just pinched my finger in the magnets.
Oh.
They're really, really strong.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Great little ladder. All right, so we've been here for 3 nights.
It's
A little over 3 days. Barely got any solar. And this is where we're at.
probably the lowest we've ever been.
Move these bananas out of the way. Yeah. So that's probably the lowest ever, 22%. Came in with a full battery. Came in with a full tank of water. We're at a quarter after 3 full days. So we need to drive to recharge our batteries. And we're gonna use our Guzzle H2O Stream to refill our water tank. Excited. All right, so we are filling up our water tank with using our Guzzle H2O stream. So what's happening is that we've got this filter over here and hose picking up water, and then it's going through the Guzzle H2O box. So it goes through a UV filter, and I think it's a 0.5 micron filter, and then it's got a pump, and it's pumping water all the way up to our camper. So not sure how long it's going to take. We're estimating probably like 30 minutes or so. But it's pretty cool that we can just find any body of water, obviously not salty, but any body of water, and just refill our water tank so that we can be out longer. I think that's really freaking awesome. And I'm just really excited to have the Guzzle H2O system. So, yeah. All right, we are at a full tank. Took about 21 minutes. 21?
Yeah.
And now we're filling our little drinking water just so that we have some extra since we're here. Okay. Got our Guzzle H2O all packed. Tank full. And we're ready to go.